Thank you so much for everybody coming to the Grey Matter ISV Partner Day 2019.
If I was to summarise the ISV Grey Matter Partner Day in 3 words, I think about expertise, community, and I think about the engagement that I've seen here in the day.
Packed with knowledge.
A lot changes in software in a year, and I think it's very important for people to sometimes take that day out of the office to focus on their development.
Highlight of the day today has to be the Women in Tech lunch. So amazing, some great feedback, some really strong insight, and we're looking to take that information forward and start some new working groups. So overall, for me, a fantastic day. Thanks for making it so wonderful.
I think my biggest takeaway is the opportunity for learning for everyone. So really focusing on that personally and making sure that your own learning experience is guided by the great support that's available.
I've never been to an event where they had different tracks for different roles. Yeah, just being able to listen to so much knowledge really and just get so many good ideas to go away with.
When I think about the expertise that I've seen here today, there's been some phenomenal speakers who have really touched upon the impact that technology can have, and also the support that Grey Matter and Microsoft can provide together.
I think people should attend if they're looking to get more out of the Microsoft Cloud Platform, if they're looking to understand more around what Grey Matter can offer. Some of the feedback I've had today has really been around people not realising what the breadth of services that we do offer and how we can help. And for people that are looking to keep up to date with the latest releases and to focus on best practice, I think it's a great way for people to get some free consultancy.
Thank you all for making this such a great day for us, and yeah, we look forward to seeing you next year, if not before. So thank you.